Yeah, go. Okay, guys, as we said in the previous lesson, we said that today and tomorrow we will do as revision exercises about chapter 1. So I assume that you revised and you select questions that you did not understand it yet from the examples or from the homework um, which were given for you. But now I'm ready for receiving the questions. So all of you suppose have your book, and I'm ready here for your questions. So if you have a question, put your hand. I'll start with Faris Nofal.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla Faris.
About the graph ratios.
Good. Give me a question, mister.
Okay, I will see in the book.
Yeah, you should prepare it, Faris. Yalla. While Faris prepared his question, I will select another one. Adnan. Guys, no one will ask two questions until I finish all the students with one question. So I need to be fair in these two classes. So you can ask one question. After I answered you, uh, I will select another question. When I finish, you can answer another one. So to be fair with you. Adnan, yes.
I
Yes,
did not understand. I use bar diagrams to solve ratios
give
problems.
me questions, mister. Give me questions. I won't repeat a lesson. Okay? Now, look here. Listen to me, guys. Listen carefully, all of you. Each period, each lesson, each class, each question we did it here until now from all the semester is already recorded and it's already in your Classera, right? Tamim every day recorded the class and sent it to me, and I put it on a Classera so you can see the videos. Any lesson you did not understand it, do not come here and tell me, Mr. Repeat for me the lesson. I cannot do that because I won't be fair. I cannot
Okay,
waste
Mr. Page
time.
45.
Mister, I'm talking, Habibi, I'm talking. While I'm talking, you close your mouth. Like I said, right? Now, all of you guys, if you have problem in a specific lesson, you can go to the videos, watch the video, try to understand it again. Now, if you have questions or examples you did not understand it, you can ask me here. But if you want whole lesson, I cannot repeat the lesson online. You can come to my school here, to our school, and I will meet you here and I will repeat the lesson for you in private. But I won't waste the time of all the class to answer one question about whole lesson. That's all. So give me questions. Yes, Adnan. Yeah.
Page 45.
Yalla, guys. All of you now. Now, wait, Adnan. Wait. Let me just explain something so all of you will understand me. Now, if someone now, Adnan will ask me about a question in page 45. So all of you will go to page 45 and see the questions together. Yani, this question is not only for Adnan, it's for all of you. Okay? No one asked me the same question again. Yalla, Adnan. Page 45.
Yes.
Which question, Habibi?
Question.
Quickly. Question 6. Yalla. All of you guys open page 45 in question 6 and let's see what we have there. I will open with you. 45. Let's go to 45. Question 6. We are on page 45, question 6. Okay, guys? Read it, Adnan.
Okay. Pine Hill Middle School has 300 students. In Zoe's class, 7 out of 5 students belong to a club.
2 out of 5 students belong to a club. Okay?
Yes.
How many? Continue.
Okay. How many students at the school would you expect belong to a club?
Good. So we have a class, guys. The whole number of the students is how much? 300 what? Students. This is given. This is information given. Now our ratio here, 2 out of 3, each 2 out of 3. So what's the part here? 2 or 3?
The part?
The part. We have part and we have whole, right?
2 is part, 3 is whole.
Good. So the 2 is the part. Always, guys, the numerator is the part and the denominator is what? Is the whole. 2 out of 3 is going to where? Is going to a club, right?
Mister, I have a question.
Mister,
Yes.
انت ايش مالك؟ I have a question while I'm doing the question. Just wait.
No, Mister. It's 2 over
حبيبي.
5.
2 لا wait.
Out of 5.
2 out of 5. Sorry. Sorry. I thought that you are talking about other question. Sorry. 2 out of 5. It's okay. Now each 2 out of 5 going to where, guys? Going to a club.
A club.
The question asks us what you expect, how many students you expect that from the 300 will go to the club. Now I will make proportions here. Look here, guys. 2 over 5, this is part over whole, okay? Equals, here the 2 going to the club, right? The 2 are going to the club. But the rest of the 5, no. So here, 2 to 5. The 5 is the whole. What's the whole here?
300.
300. So I put down what?
300.
Now here, it's a question mark. Now look at the question. If 2 out of 5 going to the club, how much out of 300 are going to the club? Got it?
Yeah.
Again, if 2 out of 5 are going to the club, how much, this is a question mark, means how much from the 300 are going to the club? Got it?
Yes.
Now, I'll replace my question mark to a variable as we did before. Then the rest of the steps, guys, we know it. We call it a cross product, then divide. So to prepare this, it's very important. To prepare this step, it's very important, guys. From where I prepared this step? From the question. How I prepare this step? By reading the question very well. Read the question very well and stop and think at any important information. Do not just read. Do not read like this. Mr. Blah, 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 blah. What's that? This is wrong. If you understand the question, you can make your ratios very well. Then the other steps, guys, will be easy. Adnan, can you tell me what I will do here?
Mister, we will multiply, divide 2 by 300 and 5.
Divide or multiply, Mr. Please focus
Multiply.
and determine. Divide or multiply?
Multiply.
Multiply, so don't say divide. Now we'll make cross product, we call it 2 times 300. 2 times 300 equals 5 multiply y, 5y. We said that before, right? Now, find this multiplication. 2 times 300, how much? 600 equals 5 multiply y, right? Now, what I will do, Adnan? Where are you, mister?
Mister, I'm here.
Right.
I'm here.
I divide by 5 both sides. We did that before.
First multiply, then divide.
These steps, guys, from here down, we did it always, right? So what's the important thing is to prepare this. If you prepare this very well, the rest of the steps will be so easy. Now here, the 5s are gone. So y equal, now make division. 600 divided by 5 is how much? Is 120. So look here now. To understand the question, if 2 students out of 5 are going to the club, then 120, the value of y, out of the 300 students will go to the club also. We expect that. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
تمام.
Mister, we can switch the numbers.
Wait يا مستر. مين اللي بيحكي؟ تميم؟
Yeah.
يس يا تميم، ايش مالك؟
We can put the 300 up and the variable down.
If you put the 300 up and the variable down, you need to switch here also.
Okay.
فاهم علي؟
Yeah.
Means if you put 2 over 5, you need to put y over 300. If you put 5 over 2, now you need to put 300 over y. But don't make yourself confused. Don't be confused. Just do the rate as the question wants. The question said 2 out of 5, right?
Yeah.
خلاص 2 over 5. ليش اخليها 5 over 2 يعني عوج؟
Thank you.
طيب I will back to Faris.
Yes.
Faris Naufal. Yes يا فارس يلا.
On page 29.
29. We are on page 29 guys. Which question حبيبي؟
This the learn use graph to.
Mister, which question? Which example? What's the number of it?
So it's a lesson.
Is
It's
it-
a lesson, I think.
بعدين فارس ركز حبيبي ركز. You are on page 21 right?
29.
29. Okay. يلا 29. طيب what we have in the 29? Let's go to 29 together. هاي 29. طيب ماله ال 29؟
I didn't understand the.
طيب before we start with this page يا فارس, look here. What's this?
graph.
What's this? What we call this?
Ratio graph.
Coordinate. اسمه coordinate plane. Okay?
Okay.
Why we use this? To graph tables. Tamam? Now, I will ask you something. Do you know how we graph the table in the coordinate plan?
No.
Look here. Here, if we have numbers 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 9, okay? Look here.
Yes.
How we graph 2 and 3, 2 and 3, not 3 and 2, 2 and 3, okay? How we graph it here? Here we put numbers, here numbers, okay? Now,
Yes.
2 and 3, we will go here. See the 2 in the x-axis always, and here is the y-axis always. Do not say 3 and 2. It is 2 and 3, okay? Now, you will go to the 2 first down and go up until you get what?
3.
3. So you'll go up and make your point corresponding to the 3. Got it?
Got it.
مثلا 4 and 8, for example, this is 4, this is 8, for example. 6 and 9, this is 6, go up until you get the 9 here, then you put it. Now you will make what? Your line, I'm sorry, this line should pass it through the points which you graphed. Got it?
Yes, got it.
Right. Now go to the page in front of you, اللي هو page 21, or sorry, 29. You will have a table. See the table?
Yes.
And you have what also besides it?
Beside it, graph.
We have a graph. And in the question, if you read the question, we have third brand or third table. So we have 3 things here: the table, the graph, and the thing in the question. Now I want you to read the question up. Read to discover what we have in the question.
ratio of 4 ingredients in dog's food vary among companies that manufacture its company
Company A, Company A. يعني we have three companies. Company A, Company B, and Company what?
C.
C. طب Company A اطلع أول شيء على Company B down in the table, right?
yes.
Here Company B, and in the graphs what they wrote up. حبيبي ركز معي الله يسعدك. You have the table. See the table?
Yes.
up شو مكتوب على التيبل؟
2
يا مستر up company B, right?
yes.
طب الجراف what they wrote up of the graph?
Company C.
company C يا مستر فركز الله يسعدك تمام؟ So company B it has the table, company C it has the graph, but company A it has nothing. So we need to discover what company A has, right?
Yes.
يلا company A continue now. يا مستر continue مالك؟ hello
Yes, yes.
يا مستر continue دخيلك لا تضيع وقت.
It affects 25 grams of protein for every cup of dog's food.
حلو.
The relationship.
Wait يا مستر when you read the numbers you wait. Now the question said 25 grams of protein for every 25 grams of protein for every cup of dog food. So here I put the cups and here I put the grams. See the board?
Yes.
Here each one cup it has how many grams?
25.
من اللي question هاد صح؟
Yes.
طب هذا the company A. Company B is given. Look at the company B.
Yes.
What we have in company B? Given. Here cups, here grams, and they gave the numbers, right?
Yes.
اللي هم 2 with 44 and 3 with 56. معاي انت يا فارس؟
Yes, yes.
And 4 with 88. Hi, 4 with 88. So this is the table for company B. And this is the table, it's not finished yet, for company mean.
A.
من وين جبته هذا؟ من وين أنا جبته؟
من الquestion.
من الquestion. طيب company C they don't give us a table, they gave what? احكي معي يا ابني. For company C شو أعطوني؟ أعطوني table ولا graph؟
Table.
company. أعطوني graph يا مستر. company C إيش هذه؟ إيش هذه؟ graph شو مكتوب فوق؟
Company A, company C.
يا ابني
What?
يا ابني اطلع علي هون. هذه الجراف ايش مكتوب فوق؟
Company C.
So this graph for which company?
Company C.
This table for which company?
C. B.
لا إله إلا الله. For company B. And company A it's inside the question. Got it?
Okay, got it.
Now company C I want to turn this graph to be table. Okay?
Okay.
Look at the first point here down. See this point?
Yes.
What's the x-axis of it? 1 with what?
1 with 20.
So look here what I will write. Here this the cups, here the grams. 1 with ish.
20.
Top. The second point here.
2 with 40.
2 with 40. I will write 2 with 40. Got it? The third
Yes.
point. Here,
3 with 60.
3 with 60. 3 with 60. Now look here. The table of C ready. The table of B ready. But the table of A ready?
Nope.
No, I will finish it. How I will finish the table? And all of you guys look here. معايا فارس?
Yes.
Now here, 1 with the 25. To finish the others, I will use multiply in both sides with the same numbers. 1 multiply 2, come.
2.
طب 25 multiply 2, come. 50.
4.
1 multiply 3, 3. 25 multiply 3, 75. Got it?
Yes.
So I multiply with 2, I multiply with 2. I multiply with 3, I multiply with 3. If I want to do more, multiply with 4, multiply with 4, until you want, as much as you want. But it's enough for 3. 3, 3. Look at the tables now. They are what?
Ready.
They are ready for what? For making a graph, one graph for all of them. Got it?
Yes.
Now, how we make a graph? The first one, 1 with the 25. We will go here and we see 1 and what?
25.
And put our point. Then here, 2 with 50. We'll go here, 2 with 50. Got it? Here, 3 with 75. We'll go here, 3 with 75. Got it?
Yes.
Then I will make a line between them. Got it?
Yes.
Now, how many tables I have?
3.
If I have 3 tables, how many lines I should have here?
3.
3 lines. So there will be 3 lines. صح?
Yes.
Now روح على question. شو بيكون مكتوب تحت? How can you see here?
Yes.
How can you read?
How can you compare the ratios of protein to cups
Protein, Mr. Protein.
protein to cups of dogs food for
The 3
the
companies.
3
How we compare? Look here. We have 3 lines, right?
Yes.
Each line for a table and each table for a company, right?
Yes.
طب لو اللاين هذا اللي من فوق كان company B مثلا نكتب عليه وهذا اللاين company C for example وهذا اللاين company A.
Yes.
What is the greatest line, the highest line?
Hi. Company A. No, company B.
يا ابني مالك انت افطرت تغديت ولا لسه؟
لسه.
تغديت؟
لا.
انا لسه. تمام؟ look here يا مستر. هذا لاين وهذا لاين وهذا لاين، مين اعلى واحد فيهم؟ اللي من فوق مين؟ فارس.
Yes.
مين اعلى واحد فيهم؟
Company B.
كمباني بي مستر صح، هي كمباني بي شايفه؟ هيو اعلى واحد. So company B will be what? The greatest. فهمت؟
Yes.
And company A will be what? Company A.
The
least. أقل وحدة. ليه؟ لأنها من تحت. See?
Yes.
فهمت الأيديا؟
Yes.
Thank you. Else.
Mr. I have a question.
We did فارس. لا هاخذ بالترتيب. أخذنا فارس، أخذنا عدنان، هلا حسين.
I can't close my mic.
لو سمحتوا guys please when I talk with someone you don't talk. افهم.
Mr. I can't close
لما
my
بحكي
mic.
مع حدا أنت لا تحكي. Yes حسين.
Mr. page 36.
Page 36. All of you guys go to page 36. يلا.
Mr. 1 minute, we're gonna go at camp.
Wait يا مستر بالله. هذا 37. وين 36 هاي 36 yes
Yes, Mr.
what which question
Question number 1 and 2. I don't understand them.
Mister in 36 we have questions 4 5 6 8
Yeah.
there is no questions 1 and 2
طيب
ركز ركز الله يسعدك which page you are
36.
يا مستر 36 ما فيها questions 1 and 2
Okay, no problem. But I don't understand them. Understand the 4 and 3.
Mister, the homework, look here, look. It's on page 35, see?
35.
So go back one page, you mean.
No, I have
Hussein,
63, 63, 63.
63.
قصده 4 و5 مستر.
مستر لا هو بيحكي عن page 63 وحكى لي 36.
Yeah.
ما شاء الله.
عدنان mute yourself. ما تحكي على طالب وانت معي. mute yourself. 63 يا احمد. حسين اسف. which question حبيبي؟
Question number 3.
مستر اخلص ما بيزبطش هيك ما بينفع مش الموضوع مش تنقاي مش اقعد وانقي لا
3. Number
the question
3.
mister you need to revise and see the questions that you did not understand مش بتطلع على شكل الكويستشن ما عجبنيش اختاره لا ما بينفع هيك which question you want
Number 3.
number 3 so you understand 1 and 2 and the others should be
Yeah.
yeah let's see question 3 together read
A cat hurt but
I will read guys we are on page 63 question 3 a cat's heart beats approximately 45 times in 15 seconds look here what I will write هذا question 3 page 63 a cat's beat how many times 45
45.
times look at the board what I'm writing 45 times in how many seconds or in how many in 15 seconds is this difficult look at the board is this difficult continue now at this rate how many times does the cat's heart beat per 1 second what's this one يعني per 1 second شو نعمل
We multiply.
ايوه
We multiply.
How many seconds we have يا مستر طلع البورد الله يسعدك حبيبي بحكي انا look at the board how many seconds we have
15.
and the question wants how many seconds
Times or seconds?
يا حبيب
Yeah.
the given 15 seconds the question wants how many seconds
15 seconds.
لا اله الا الله يا ابني هذه given هذه given what's the question wants الquestion ايش بده
For 45 times.
استغفر الله العظيم يا ابني اقرا الكويشن اقرا تعال اقرا انا وياك يلا how many times does the cat's heart beat per what شو يعني per seconds how many seconds when I say per second what does this mean مستر انت بتحضر الحصص معنا كلها الا طيب بير سكند ما بتعرف شو يعني لا you need to revise very well يا حسين because the exam will be very difficult on you. You need to study more. Per second means 1 second, yeah, mister. 1 second. Per second means how many seconds? 1. How we make the 15 seconds to be 1 second?
We divide
On what?
on 45, 15, and 15.
Look here, mister. Try to understand. Look here. 15 seconds to make it by 1, to make it 1, mister, we need to divide on 15 itself. So I will turn this rate to unit rate. We said that more than 20 times, by the way. This is 45 times over 15 seconds, both up and down divided by 15. You don't know that, Hussein?
Yeah, I know it, but
You know it, thank you. You know it, why you didn't use it? Now, 45 divided by 15 is 3 times, and 15 divided by 15, 1 second. So the answer is 3 times in 1 second. Thank you. Study well, mister, study well.
okay.
Right. I have Adnan, we finish. Hussein, we finish. The third student here, I have Hamza.
Yes, miss.
Yes, mister.
Question
Yes,
5.
mister, وسكت. Talk, mister.
Question 5, page 71.
يلا روح على page 71 الكل. Question 5. 71. Question what?
5.
Read.
A bakery makes 260 donuts in 4 hours. At this rate,
Read يا ابني, read again معلش.
a bakery makes
Hello?
Yes, miss.
Hamza.
Yes, miss.
I'm sorry Hamza, يلا read again.
A bakery makes 260 donuts in 4 hours. At
بس 260 what in 4 what?
hours.
260 what?
Donuts.
Dollars in 4 hours. Continue.
Donuts, Mr. Donuts.
مش مشكلة. Continue. What?
Donuts.
Donuts. Sorry. Hi donuts. يلا continue.
At this rate, how many donuts can they make in 6 hours?
In 6 hours. هذا we did it yesterday, mister. Huh. In 6 hours. I want to turn the 4 hours to 6 hours. Can I do that? No. I can turn the 4 to be 1. Then I multiply with what, ya Hamza?
6.
Yeah. So here I need to turn this 4 hours to 1 hour. 260 divided by 4 over 4 divided by 4. You know that?
Yes.
Yeah. This is equal. Down will be 1 hour. Up how much 260 divided by 4? I don't know. 260 divided by 4. This is 6, 24, subtract 2, 0, 5. 65. Hi, 65. 65 what?
Donuts.
Donuts. Tamam? So each 1 hour, we have how many donuts?
65 donuts.
65. But in 6 hours, what we will do?
We will multiply
6 with?
6 with 65.
Multiply 6 with 65, the answer will be 390 donuts. Got it?
Yes.
But I want to ask you something. What's your name, Hamza?
Yes.
This is a question in the homework, right?
Yes.
Of yesterday. مظبوط?
Yes.
طب I sent you the corrections. Did you check them?
Yes.
طب did you see this question how I did it?
Yes.
طب, did you understand how I did the question?
Yes.
طب, why you are asking now? Weird, right? طيب. How many times I have? طب عدنان وحسين وحمزة شكري.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you talk please?
Yeah. In page 63,
طيب.
question 5, I didn't understand it.
I think it's from the homework page, guys.
Yeah.
كل أسئلتكم من الهومورك. طيب الهومورك guys أنا كأنه أنا برسل الستبس right على كلاسيرا. I think يعني okay ماشي as you want.
I
It's
know,
up to
teacher,
you.
but I want to
خلاص
understand it.
mister.
Not
No,
just
thank you. Thank you. Read the question.
Okay. At the school festival, Heather can buy 25 game ticket for $10.
Thank
Or
you.
she
Wait. 25 tickets in how many dollars?
in $10.
Continue.
Or she can pay $0.50 per game ticket.
Or this or 0.5. Sorry. How many tickets for one ticket?
$0.50
Dollars per one
per
ticket,
game
right?
ticket.
But
Yeah.
I need to switch them. We put the number of the we put the money down always, right? Here, down
You mean the money up?
25 tickets. And the money, how much here? $10. $10.
Yeah.
And here, in one ticket, the money is
Yeah.
how much?
0.50.
But the question wants us to choose between them, right?
Yeah.
But how I will compare? Turn this to 1. Turn this to unit rate. Unit price, we call it. Let's turn. How we turn this?
We put 10 divided by 25 and 25 divided by 25.
So this will be, down will be 1 ticket. 10 divided by 25, how much? No. ما هاي مشكلتنا احنا. مشكلتنا بجريد 5 يا مستر. 10 divided by 25. This cannot be divided. We put decimal 0 and we put 0 decimal and here we put what?
0.
100 divided by 25, 400. Subtract 0, so here 0.4. Which one is better? 0.4 for one ticket or 0.5 for one ticket? Which one is better?
0.4.
So I will choose this one, 0.4.
Yeah, now I understand it. I take
Which
a mistake
option?
on the divide.
What?
I take a mistake in the divide, so I didn't understand it.
Which one is better? To buy 25 tickets in $10. This one is better. I think we finished now. Tamim, stop recording. Tomorrow again, guys, we'll do